Not even close.
Bye, Scout. Bye, Brown. Let's go. Bye, Catherine. Bye, Catherine. Bye, Catherine. Where are we going, Charlie?
Videographer means I get to hold the camera.
Okay.
Okay, where are we going, Heather?
We're going to college! Oh, there she is. She made it. Mom, guess what? Charlie's the videographer. Okay, this is the before. This is the before. Okay, let's. Oh, I already put clothes in the closet. Nothing.
Loft in bed. You put your clothes in the closet.
Oh, you already lofted it?
Well,
Yeah, that's as high as it gets.
Oh.
Drum roll.
Yeah.
What are you?
Okay. Why do you need to head? Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. Oh yeah, Dad already called us.
Yeah.
oh. What? You can't put this under there. You want that? Yeah, we still have stuff in there. Now.
Your bed where you can lay off the edge.
You better put the other.
Okay.
There's a power cord.
Where?
Is it filming?
Oh, it doesn't have an on.
I knew it didn't have
Oh, it
an
does.
on
It's
switch.
right there.
So satisfying.
It says
Break time. Sorry,
Oh, is this recording? Oh, haha. Yeah. Sure is. Some nice cardboard boxes. Welcome to my dorm, I guess. Should I give you guys a little dorm tour? This is what I have so far. This is my closet, all this stuff in it. Also has this up here. Okay, my fan's probably really loud right now, but it's really hot in here, so I'm just gonna have to deal with that. So I have these bobby pins to put up the photos I have, and then I'm gonna put them on here. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Oh, my brother and my mom just left, and it was very sad, but now I'm here all by myself. So I'm gonna put up these photos that I have. I don't have that many, so I don't know if it's gonna. It should probably fill it up though, because it's pretty small. First photo going on the wall. Aww.